Can anybody just in the same pattern build an objective statement like seeking a dash role in dash industry where I can utilize my dash skills for certain outcome? Can anybody try? Yes, anyone?
I can try.
Yes,
I
sure.
can try.
Sonal, go ahead. Yeah,
I'm seeking a research and development position where I can apply my skills in bioinformatics and drug designing to contribute to a dynamic team.
very nice. Amazing. That you will check that if you are a software developer, then these some of them should be there in your resume. If they are not there according to the job description, your resume will not be shortlisted. Can anybody tell me?
I'm like languages like Python, Java,
Correct.
HTML, CS. This should
Right.
be there. After
Right.
that, problem solving skills,
Exactly.
adaptive team player, like that.
Correct. Correct. Very true.
Teams.
Right. Similarly, if somebody is a marketing professional, then what all things should be there in this case? Content development. Anybody?